bound by them. I love this quote. I hear Bruce Lee's coming out with the video soon, so keep my eyes peeled for it. I wanted to share Wilbur and Orville Wright, the Wright brothers, as they're known. In late 1800s in the Carolinas, they developed the first and what's the word? Not accurate. Successful, there we go. The very first successful flying machine. And they invented what was the 3-axis control. And they had to do what this quote stated. They obeyed the very principles without being bound by them. They obeyed the laws of gravity. They obeyed the laws of physics, but they decided that they were going to come above those. They were going to think higher than the law, higher than those principles, and create something that would lift them above it. And they did so. Now, they were not, oh, be like water. Thank you, Michael. That's a great quote. They were not the first ones to build a flying contraption. No, there were many in France, Italy, and other parts of the world that built a flying contraption. I even believe there was a famous painter that built a contraption, a flying machine, hundreds of years beforehand. But that's not the point. They didn't worry about the competition. They weren't worried about being outproduced. They had one goal, they had one purpose, and that was to obey these laws of physics and create a machine that was singular in its approach to maintain a successful flight. That's all they wanted to do, and they did it. They believed they could do it, and they did it. Now, if we could turn off the laws of physics somehow, it would be way too easy. Everybody would be learning how to fly a machine. But they put their minds together. They mastermind. There were two brothers that wanted to create something, and they invented the 3-axis control. And this was a part of the plane that could maneuver through the air pressure and tilt the plane's wings so that they could steer. And that's what they created. Beforehand, no one else had that. So when you see these quotes, especially this one like Bruce Lee's, be above the principles. Don't let them bind you. You can obey them, but you don't have to let them limit you. Okay? This goes for the law. Okay? If you're going to follow the law and obey the law, okay, you're going to be safe. You're going to be a safe citizen, and it's going to work out for you. If you decide not to, you're not going to be a safe citizen. And I know there's bad people wherever you go, and things happen. But I hope you guys take this into heart. Hope you guys can apply this, that even though these are principles that have a science and they have a governing system such as physics to them, you can find ways to come above them and fly over them, just like the Wright brothers did. Hope that made sense. Kind of choppy, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share. Thanks.